Hey guys, welcome to San Francisco, day 2. So we're currently walking down Fillmore Street and heading to Pacific Heights.
Yep, Pacific Heights. Just on our way to maybe find a cup of coffee and then head on to rent some bikes to explore the waterfront for the second day. When you've got to put in steps to go down the sidewalk, you know it's steep.
And mission success, we've got rental bikes.
Woo-hoo.
So now we're going to head along to Golden Gate Bridge.
And then just based on the recommendation of the guys in the bike shop, we're going to actually cycle over the bridge down to Sausalito and then probably stick the bikes on the ferry to come back this way to the ferry building.
Let's go. So we're edging closer and closer to the Golden Gate Bridge, which is just over there on my right. We're probably only 30-40 meters away, and now we just need to find the track up to the bridge, and then we're going to cross.
Here we go. The sign says it's only 0.2 miles across, but honestly it's a little bit intimidating looking out at how high it is.
Here we are coming into the middle of the bridge. There's a sign back there saying cyclists expect higher winds. Haven't got the winds today. The rain's now stopped. So yeah, crossing Golden Gate Bridge. Just on my right here we've got Alcatraz, and also looking back towards San Francisco City there. Feels crazy to be crossing this bridge that I've seen so many photos and such an iconic landmark. And now here we are cycling across.
We're over the bridge. It's all downhill from here to Sausalito and maybe some lunch.
So we're now on the ferry, as you can tell, heading back over to San Francisco, and behind me is Alcatraz. So when I spoke to the travel-inspired community about San Francisco, other people said I should head over there. Unfortunately, I'm not going to get to go over to the island itself on this trip, as it's a pretty short trip, but the $13 on the ferry is surely worth it to get this close. Very quick ferry trip back over, and now we're off. Slightly wet, slightly cold, may I add, to find some sea lions, and then we're going to head back to the rental place as we've got a flight coming up about 8 o'clock tonight. So we took a tram from Pier 39 as close as we could get to our accommodation.
We are now power walking the rest of the way.
So yeah, we're heading back to the accommodation and we've got a flight to get. So we're going to look at the quickest way to get to the airport and then we're on to Boise in Idaho. As always, if you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe to our channel for future adventures, probably from Boise, Idaho at this point, and we'll see you soon. Cheers guys. Power walking.